China and India have so many border disputes, it's hard to keep track. So here are the top 9 things you need to know about the Sino-Indian border disputes. Sino mane China. India and China share a 3,488-kilometer long border. Bharat says Aksai Chin is ours, but this territory is controlled and administered by China. Also, the entire state of Arunachal Pradesh is claimed by China. They call it South Tibet. But ये confusion आया कहाँ से? Well, China's ancient maps and claims are so flexible that they have a lot of different territorial disputes with bordering countries. But it's not just maps. We should also blame the British Raj. ये वाला राज नहीं. The British threw the Johnson-Ardagh line here, and also the Macartney-MacDonald line here. The British, Indian and Chinese maps often mixed up these lines, creating confusion and conflicting territorial claims over the last several decades. And neither country has backed down from its claims. On the Arunachal Pradesh front, the British, China and Tibet met up in Shimla in 1913-14. Henry McMahon drew a line called, surprise, surprise, the McMahon line. But here's the thing, China was like, kya? Now paega. So China says Arunachal Pradesh hamara hai, and India's like, no bro, hamara hai. And that's another very sticky issue. No resolution in sight. But what's the big issue now? It's the Doklam Plateau, which is near the Sikkim-Bhutan-Tibet tri-junction. Doklam is recognized as part of Bhutan by both India and Bhutan, but China also claims it as its own. Why is India involved? Well, China's trying to build a road through the Doklam Plateau, which gets them dangerously close to this tiny stretch of Indian land that connects the rest of India to its northeastern states. Lastly, this isn't the only road that's got India worried. China's also building a highway through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir as part of its One Belt, One Road initiative that India totally does not want. But that's a story for another video.